So this is the video that I wanted to do for almost 2 weeks, and this is what I'm trying to tell y'all. This is the hint. But anyway, in this big box here is the new big front mount intercooler that I'm going to replace the old one with. On the new one, I'm going to show you guys what I have to do to it. So on the new intercooler, I do have to drill some holes. At least 2 here and 2 on the other side. So whenever the time comes, I have a lever. So I will place this like in the center of it whenever I drill the holes on the side to make sure it's level. I just bought this, so this is what I'm going to be using to know it's level whenever it gets to that point. So I got the old intercooler out right now. It's always something. So I gotta get another coupling because this one, it seems like right here in this area, it seems like it's not gonna be good to put it back on because I will have a vacuum leak. I gotta get something else. It's always something. This is out. I'm about to show you guys a new one compared to this one. Look at that. So you guys know a really big difference right there for sure. I got to the point that I need to be. My hands all dirty. Can y'all see it? I did everything. Everything's back together. Well, 98%. I still got some stuff in the trunk that I gotta put it completely back together. But as far as the front of the car, all that good stuff is back. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit. Hope you guys enjoy it. So as you guys see, this is the finished product. It was a pain, but it had to be done. She's finally back. I'm going to the gym. I got a little bit of energy. I got to put all this stuff away. And then take a while, see if I can find any more vacuum leaks or if it's all fixed. I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely going to take her to the gym because I'm about to do that in a minute. And then update you guys on that on the next video. And I still have more stuff for the car, so hopefully nothing else goes wrong before I do the next video. So I would like to thank everybody that helped me on the wiring problem that I fixed. So shout out to you guys that helped me a lot, and thank you for coming in on the videos. And I had to do this intercooler because I wanted to have something bigger because the small one it wasn't doing for me, so I had to get a bigger one. So with that being said, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.